Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Now you all are welcome to our SJEC classes YouTube channel. If you all have not subscribed it, subscribe it now. Students, in this video we are going to study about our body and the topic we are going to discuss are internal organs of the human body, respiratory system, the process of breathing, deep breathing, and air pollution. Our body is made up of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Many cells together make tissues. Many tissues make organs. Many organs together form an organ system, and many organ systems form a body. Our body is just like a machine. It has different parts that perform different functions that are essential for the body. Those parts of the body that can be seen are called external organs. Example, legs, hands, nose, eyes, etc. There are some other organs that are located inside our body and we cannot see them. They are called internal organs. For example, brain, heart, lungs, etc. A group of organs that work together to perform a particular function is called an organ system. Our body has several organ systems like respiratory system, muscular system, circulatory system, skeletal system, digestive system, excretory system, etc. Internal organs of the human body. Internal organs are located at different places inside our body and they play an important role. The major internal organs are the lungs, brain, heart, stomach, kidneys, liver, bones, and intestine. Let us now study these organs in detail. Brain. Brain is an important organ of the body located inside the head. It helps us to think and also sends messages to all parts of the body. As it is very delicate, it is protected by a bony structure called skull. It controls each activity of the body. Heart. Heart is a very important organ of the body located on the left side of the chest cavity. It is protected inside our rib cage. It is a muscular organ that pumps blood to different organs of the body. Blood is carried through narrow tubes called blood vessels. Lungs. Lungs are spongy structures present inside the chest cavity. They are two in number. We breathe with the help of our lungs. They expand when we breathe in and absorb oxygen and contract and exhale carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Stomach and intestines. The food that we eat reaches the stomach through the food pipe. It is located inside the abdomen. From the stomach, the food goes into the intestines. These organs break down food into simpler substances so the body can use them. This process is called digestion. Liver. Liver is located on the right side of the stomach. It is reddish brown in color. It produces digestive juices that help in the breakdown of food. Kidneys. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs present inside our abdomen. They filter excess amount of salt and water from our blood and eliminate it from our body in the form of urine. Bones. Bones give shape to our body. Muscles are attached to the bones, which helps us in movement. There are 206 bones in our body that together form the skeleton. There are around 600 muscles in our body. Thank you.